Look at little Miss Prepper. She's been working hard on the homestead. This is a lot of work. Is it a lot of work being self-reliant?
Yes, it is.
And I got some bird feeders and these seeds. What I do, because all North American birds are edible, I set these bird feeders out. And now I don't take no rare birds, but any, like a dove or any edible bird, when it's in season to hunt them, I take them. I feed them up, fatten them up, and I shoot them with a pellet gun and eat them. Little Miss Prepper, go show them your rabbits. Yeah, we're like old people. We sit out here on the swing. Got a nice, luxurious, lay back, big, nice bathtub over there. But yeah, we do. We spend a lot of time on the swing. Go show them your rabbits. Keep your fingers off of them.
Here's my rabbit. There's actually the boys. The girls are on the other side. And these are my pets. Their babies are the food. And then their poo down here is great fertilizer. And what hay that they don't eat that falls through is great for fertilizing and all that.
It's great for growing stuff. We literally pick that up, put it in a bucket, and then put sweet potatoes in it, because rabbit poo will not burn your plants. And the sweet potatoes grow like crazy, and then we turn around and feed the rabbits the sweet potato leaves.
All right. Thanks, everybody.